Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Yandere simulator in your PC and laptop in 2026. So how you can do this, let's get started. First, you have to open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then you have to type Yandere simulator download. Here just click on download Yandere simulator and then scroll down a bit and just click on download launcher. After this it will start downloading. You just have to unzip the zip file and you have to just install the launcher. After that just launch the launcher and there you'll find Yandere simulator. Just click on that and your game would be launched. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.